Alright guys, here is the quick D2L tutorial on how to add kids to your classes and also how to create a new Dropbox for the Revise This I Believe essay. So when you guys log on, this is probably the screen that you're going to see. So you will just go up to the little waffle. You will not have as many classes as I do that I'm over or in charge of. I've been doing this couple more years in D2L. So you'll probably just have your class and it'll say 9th grade lit comp and it'll probably have your initials and it'll have the year 1819 and then that's the section of the class. So you will come to a screen that looks something like this. This is the actual course in D2L. Yours probably will not look like mine. I've added a few things for the start of the year. So it will look something like this and it'll have these little buttons at the top. So first of all, in order to create a Dropbox, you need to go to Assessments, go down to Dropbox, and it brings you to a new screen. You're going to click New Folder, and then this is where you're creating your assessment, the Dropbox. So you would just title it This I Believe Essay. It is an individual submission. You can add a rubric here if you need to or if you would like to. You can type instructions here such as download your Google Doc as a Microsoft Word document and upload to Dropbox. Or whatever you feel is sufficient. That's just something that I usually have mine do because I like to have mine as a Word document, and you can do it as PDF, whatever works for you. Okay, that is how you actually create the assignment. Then you go to restrictions. Okay, restrictions is where you give out the dates that it's due and when it should stop taking them or when it's late. So it has a due date. Let's say the due date is next Friday, because today's the 15th, we're going to do it on the 24th, and we're just going to say 11:30. Okay? So you don't have to write, this is the date that it is due. Okay? If you wanted to add a start date when you start to use D2L more, that's when it will publish, and then this is when it would quit showing on D2L. Okay? That's what it looks like. Then you're going to save and close. And then right down here at the bottom, there it is. You have to make sure you submit it or publish it. That's why it has this little arrow right here. So if you go back to the actual essay itself, you would be able to find that information. Okay? Second thing, you want to go to Classlist Communication. Go to Classlist. This is where you all will add your users. Okay, so you're going to go to Add Participants and Add Existing Users. So you can search for them by their number, like their code, but I haven't found much luck with that. I've always just search them by their last name. So let me just say Giles, because I had one last year. Alright, so then I'm going to scroll down and it's going to give me the list of all the Giles that are available to be added. So I would have to click on the actual student and then I would select their role as a student. If you put instructor, they have access to the content just like you do, and they have access to erase things, delete things, so on and so forth. So make sure you do that as student. You're going to enroll selected users. There's your one, and you're just going to add more participants, and it takes you back to that search screen. So like I said, pretty simple, pretty easy. It just, you're going to have to sit down with your roster and do it. But like I said, I don't mind sitting down with your roster if you give me your login and adding and uploading all of your students to your classes. So hopefully this helped a little bit with identifying how you can do D2L and how you can add your kids, how you can create a Dropbox. One more time, Assessments, Dropbox, brings you to this new folder, and you add it all here. Okay, and then that's it. So if you have any more questions, y'all just let me know, and I can help you guys out. Thank you very much.